Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a wave A. I think this is so clearly an ABC correction, probably a wave B, and I think this is so clearly a 1, 2, 3. I definitely do not see any reason to think this wave 3 is over. I mean, we are at a Fibonacci level. It doesn't have to stop right there. It may even go up to the 100%, and I think it's actually pretty likely, especially looking if you zoom out on the monthly. I think it's pretty likely to keep on going, at least for now. Eventually, it should end the wave 3 and make a wave 4 and a wave 5, but there's definitely no signs of that happening yet, and you have to remember the trend is your friend, which means that you should be trading with the trend. Going down to the weekly time frame, we are at a fib level, but that doesn't have to stop there. It may make a pullback there, which does seem pretty likely because this could be an area of resistance, but it definitely doesn't have to stop here. Until I see a break of structure to the downside or at least significant lower high, I am definitely still on the long side on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, we have a couple other areas of resistance to keep an eye on. This 138 right around the 204 area is another area of resistance that maybe it will pull back at. But right now it looks like a 1, 2, 3 since the end of a correction. So even if it does go down, it's probably just a wave 4, probably a wave 5. And then if it goes down and breaks structure, I still don't even think that would be the end of anything. It'd probably just be the beginning of a new correction to the uptrend. The trend is definitely your friend, and that applies so much when you're talking about these yen pairs. Basically, that means that I am definitely doing nothing but looking for long entries. Going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up. I'm definitely looking for a 3 wave down, Fibonacci bounce on the shorter time frames that continue to go long. Like I was saying, I think the 204 area is the next area that it has a possible area of resistance. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for 3 wave pullbacks. It kind of looks like it already has 3 waves. So if we bounce off one of these fib levels, which really it could be any one of them, makes a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would continue to trade to the long side for the continuation of the uptrend. It really doesn't take too much of a genius to realize that if you were doing nothing but looking for longs for the past basically 4 years on these yen pairs, that you would probably have so much money you would even know what to do with it all. I would definitely ignore all sorting opportunities, and I would definitely only be looking for longs, at least until the daily time frame gives us a reason otherwise, which it definitely has not done yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.